All right, hey everyone, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. We are out in beautiful Rock Barn. Just finished putting up two motorized screens, so one, two right here, and a fixed panel as well. So yeah, we have a sand hardware here, right? So that includes the head box, the side channel, and the bottom weight bar. The weight bar is what travels up and down. And then we have our Alpaca fabric, which isn't the most popular, but it worked in this situation really good because they wanted to match the stone. So let's go ahead and put them down. Channel 1, we got Somfy remote, Somfy motorization here. This is a 5% alpaca fabric that's made by Pfeiffer. It is the sheer weave fabric. It's beautiful, really. Here's the second one. This is right under 16 feet. And the view out is still awesome here. I'll show you the view in, which you can't really see anything, but the view out is awesome. They got a beautiful view of this golf course right here, so really works well. They were trying to get some privacy from the golfers, block the golf balls, and also stop the bugs because it's really buggy out here. So yeah, when it's stacked all the way up, including the head box, the weight bar and the head box are approximately 8 inches all the way stacked up. This fixed panel, we cut out some of the rock over here. We're still waiting on some of this expanding foam to fill in. That will go up to 1.5 inches on that expanding foam. But tracks to match, sand hardware over there as well. Let's go out here. I'm just going to do them both at the same time. See how nice it looks. There we go. And look, you won't be able to see anything in. Maybe that light at the top, but other than that, nothing. We did cut out this rock and used expanding foam on the sides here to seal them all in from the bugs. I mean, it's really turned out nice here. Those are just shadows, so don't freak out. Let's put them back up. Oh, and by the way, I could not see anything except for that light in the kitchen in there. I know you can see it. But yeah, this was all done in a day. Like I said, we ground out the stone here and did the expanding foam. It's still sealing in. It takes about 24 hours to fully seal in. But really sleek tracks, sleek L angle, sleek head box. Just power cord running out the bottom. Now we can do this with the Draper product, which is nice. Run the cord out of the bottom, and we got a 25-foot cord from the factory, so we can go a long way. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.